Welcome to Damba YouTube channel. How to learn real English in few minutes. Hey everyone, this is Damba. This series explains some easy ways to ask and answer common questions in English. It is really useful and it only takes few minutes. In this lesson, we are going to learn some different ways people will ask you, where are you from? First, although where are you from can mean many things. It can mean what city are you from or what state are you from. In fact, native speakers ask this question each other all the time to learn what part of the country the other person comes from. Of course, though, it can also mean what country are you from. If you want to answer this question, there are two ways to do it. You can say, I am plus your nationality. As in, I am Sri Lankan, I am Indian, I am Brazilian, or I am Italian. Or you can say, I am from plus the country you are from. As in, I am from Sri Lanka, I am from India, I am from Mexico, or I am from Brazil. If you are from really famous city or place, you can say that too. For examples, I am from New Delhi, I am from Texas, I am from Colombo, I am from California. Many times, though, native speakers, especially Americans, won't ask, what country are you from? Or even, where are you from? In many casual situations, they will say it in a simple way. Where are you from? This is just like, where are you from? Where are you from? But they take out the are. Where are you from? Where are you from? You can answer this too in casual situations. Of course, in the USA, as many other parts of the world, people may be little more indirect because they want to be polite. To do so, they might ask you if you are from the place where they meet you. For example, if you meet someone in California, they might ask, are you from California? Or if you are in Bangalore, they might ask, are you from Bangalore? Are you from Colombo? So on. Many parts of the USA and even of India are very multicultural. So, asking the question this way avoid what could be an embarrassing mistake. You can answer this the same way you answer, where are you from? Where are you from? Just add a simple no in front. Examples, you can say, no, I am plus nationality. No, I'm Australian. No, I'm Italian. No, I am French. Or, no, I am from plus your country. No, I'm from Bangladesh. No, I'm from India. No, I'm from England. Or so on. Now it's time for today's tip. Since any country is very large, people you meet may take great pride in the place or region they come from. If you ask someone about where they are from, they may respond by saying something like West Coast or Eastern Province or Central Province or the South or the North or the nibdily whatsoever. If they answer this way, it usually means they are interested in telling more about their region and how it differs from others. So it is time to leave now, and you guys are kindly invited to share this video if you think it's very useful. And don't forget to subscribe TP Damba's YouTube channel. See you soon. Be smart with real English.